Okay, so here I am back at Bookle and Autofunnel. So I'm ready to create my funnel. I've already got my book. So we're going to go over here to Autofunnel. And I am going to create a new funnel. So let's go to New Funnel. And anytime you create a funnel, you have the option to have AI create the whole thing. So these pages or templates here that have the AI in the corner means that basically AI is going to create the page. And a lead page is where a person enters their email address to get whatever it is that you're giving away. So in this case, I've got my vegetable garden, and I'm going to go ahead and use this lead page here. So I'm going to click on that, and the name of my book is, let's go ahead and copy and paste here from ChatGPT, is from Control C. Let's go back here to Autofunnel. We'll just put that in there. Control V. Next, write a short description of the book. It's going to take a little bit here to create. Okay. So with AI, everything here is all created. Grow your own sustainable garden with ease, mastering the art of home vegetable gardening. Sow, grow, reap, and repeat. A person would enter in their email, and then when they click here, you want their email to go to what's called an autoresponder or a database so that you can follow up with these people. And if you are an affiliate for a gardening company or something like that, then you can follow up with emails and promote recipe books or home gardening tips or home gardening tools, or you could be an affiliate for any one of those things and make an additional income. So what you would do here is then go to Canva, which is free. You could put your book in there and say create a mock-up, and Canva would create a mock-up. And Canva is Canva, and it has a free version. There is a paid version. Basically, the paid version just gives you more templates that you can use. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that people have the ability to get our book. So I'm going to go into Bookle. So let's go over here to our book, and what you do is you click on these three dots here. And so you can give like a public URL, which means people can view the book, but they can't download it or anything. If you are ready to download it, you could do a PDF to your computer and then upload it to your Google Drive and create a share folder. And Google Drive is, again, free. You can do a docx, say that there's more pictures that you want to put in the book. You could download it as a docx document and add images and everything at that point. If you feel like you're ready to go straight to Kindle, you can do the EPUB, and then the markdown option is there as well. If you completely don't like the book, you can just delete it there. So what I am going to do here is I'm going to download as a PDF, and so if you're blah 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 down, see, it's already done here. Okay, so you've downloaded your book, you've uploaded it to Google Drive, and now you need to make sure that the people that enter in their email can actually access this book, and the fact that you need to collect their email address so that you can follow up with them. Right now, Autofunnel does not have the CRM or customer management system yet, but that's something that they're coming up with in the future. And so you need a database to collect these email addresses. And you need a way to deliver the product. So let's go ahead, and the way that I collect the email addresses, I use a software called Aweber. Aweber is an autoresponder, which is basically a company or database that holds all these email addresses that gives me the opportunity to follow up with all of the people that have subscribed to this list and provide more information. If you are an affiliate marketer, at this point, this is where you would follow up with emails and talk about recommended tools that you might be an affiliate for, different, maybe even recipe books, or different types of seeds, different types of plants, all that kind of stuff. You would be emailing about that and following up with people on this topic of home gardening and building your email list. So the software that I use is called Aweber, and as it stands right now, Autofunnel does not have the ability to collect these email addresses. So you need to use a third-party software. And this is where Aweber comes in. So I'm going to go into my Aweber account. I'm going to create an opt-in form, or a way to collect the email address. So let's go ahead and go to Pages and Forms. I want a sign-up form. And I want to create a sign-up form. So I have got a basic sign-up form here with name and email, submit. And then now what I wanted to do was create my thank you page. And I'm going to go back here and I want to create another page. So I'm going to go back here to home. And let's just go ahead and get... add a page, and we want the thank you page where we're going to deliver the product. And let's go ahead and go with this one here, AI. It's going to say thank you, name of the product. I'll put the name of the book in there again. Thanks for choosing From Seeds to Supper, blah, blah, blah. You can expect to receive it in your email. The other thing you can do is you can add a button right there. And I'll say click here, whoops, click here to download your book. And so I've got that there. And then since I downloaded my book in the PDF and I uploaded it to my Google Drive, what I would do then is just highlight this here, and I would come up to the link and I would paste the link to my share. I would create, make sure that the book was shareable so anyone with the link could download it. And I would just copy and paste that link in there and say add. And then whenever they click here, they're going to be able to go and download the book and get it right away. If they don't, I would include a copy of the book in their first email. And so in order to collect their email, let's go ahead and save this here. In order to collect their email, that is what is going to happen on that first page of the funnel. Okay, so I've signed in to my Aweber and I've got the script to my form here. So I'm going to Control C and I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to Control V and I'm going to save. Now, obviously, I can do some modifications to make all of this look better, but if I wanted to see what it looked like, let's just go over here to the eyeball and it is going to load up the page. Okay, so we've got the sign-in form here, send me the book. It's not the most beautiful thing I've ever created, but we could do a little more centering there. Okay, so I've got my form all set up. I've got everything ready, so when they get their name and address here, then they're going to come to my second page, which is the thank you page. And my thank you page, I'm going to link up to my the button here. I've got to just link it up to my download button or my Google Drive share file here. And then I'm going to follow up with my email from Aweber with another link to the product so that they make sure that they get it. So that is your basic lead magnet funnel.